He's so tall. That guy's tall. He's taller than Edwin for sure.
No, you gonna vlog again?
I'm just filming our feet.
What is up, vlog fam? This is Dave. Take it. Boop. Recording?
No, baby.
Just a heads up, I don't have any bags. Isn't it so tough?
Yeah. It's cool.
Well, it's funny because it's.
On the way that we can roll away tinted. Some say the price of holding heat is often too high. You
Yoshi,
in the coffin or
look.
be the new guy. The one that's too fly to eat should fit like OJ. Usually I take them off with oil or Olay.
Spin. Good girl. Again. Oh, you want to bring? Oh, what a good girl.